If you are looking for a way to back up your Medium articles, migrate them to your website, or sync them continuously, you can automate this process with a simple Python script using the Medium API. To begin, install the Medium API SDK by typing pip install Medium API in your terminal. Next, create a new Python file and name it main.py. Start by importing the OS module and the Medium class from the Medium API SDK. These will help us interact with the API. Now retrieve your Medium API key from your environment variables using os.getEnv, or directly hardcode your API key in this variable. Then initialize the Medium object using this key. Define the Medium username of the account whose articles you want to download. Replace nishu Jane with your Medium username. Then fetch user details with medium.user. Next, use the fetch articles method to retrieve all your articles in HTML format. Set full page parameter to true to get the full HTML page with head, body, title, and meta tags. The HTML style file allows you to add a custom style sheet for styling the output. To get the HTML style file, go to the Medium API documentation and navigate to the Get Articles HTML section. This is the default style file for the HTML style file parameter, so we'll copy it for now. A light theme style file is also available for your use. Now, in your code, paste the style URL for either dark.css or light.css, depending on your preference. We will now iterate through the downloaded articles and save each as an HTML file. The unique slug of each article will be used as the file name to avoid conflicts and maintain clarity. These files will be stored in a folder named Articles within your working directory. Make sure to create this folder manually before running the script. This step ensures all your articles are well organized and can be easily accessed for further use. Save your file and run the script using the command python main.py. Depending on the number of articles, this process may take a few moments. Once done, open the Articles folder to see your downloaded articles. Each article will be saved as an HTML file. Open the file to see the HTML content. You'll see it's in the minified format. For the sake of clarity, right-click and select Format Document to see a cleaner version. To view the articles in a browser, navigate to the articles directory in your terminal by typing cd articles. Then, start a local server with python-m/http.server. Open your browser and go to the local host to view your articles. Once you open an article, you'll notice that the articles are neatly formatted, styled, and easy to navigate. This maintains the original readability and design when migrated to your website. You can also add your custom brand styling and colors to give this articles a personalized look. For instance, let's try to switch to the light theme by replacing the style sheet link in the HTML with light.css. Refresh the page to see the updated style. And that's it! You've learned how to back up your Medium articles. Now you can add them in your website. Don't forget to explore other customization options in the Medium API documentation. Thank you for watching.